All right, start when you're ready.
All right, in three, two, one. Hi, Chris Rhoads here, a neuropsychologist at Memory and Brain Wellness at Harborview and part of the University of Washington. Pleased to offer you another in our series of mindfulness meditation exercises in partnership with the Frye Art Museum. And also pleased that it's looking like we continue to make progress towards doing these in person, and we'll look forward to that. In thinking about these different meditations and mindfulness in general, revisiting some of the core components, the theme of acceptance comes up again and again. And it's a tricky topic, and in one of the earlier videos we talked about that as a fundamental pillar of a mindfulness practice and how it applies to life, especially in terms of not just throwing in the towel, but accepting things as they are, and then thinking about what you do about that and how you address the things that cause distress or certain sensations or feelings in you. But I thought it would be nice to do a brief practice to help focus and cultivate that sense of acceptance of the present moment. And again, I would not divorce that from action or doing things, but I think that non-judgmental appraisal of what is such a critical first step to the know what to do from that point. So we'll focus a little bit on acceptance today. And for this practice, as always, I'll invite you to get comfortable. And for this one, if you are comfortable, eyes closed is nice, although having them open, maybe there's some benefits for you there as well. But I'll encourage you to allow your eyes to gently close and begin to bring your focus, your awareness, and your attention into the present moment, aware that it is tempting and sometimes a frequent state to be thinking about what's coming up next or what's occurred prior. And each of those activities competes with our ability to attend to the present moment. So for this exercise and this time, our only task will be to attend to the here and now, letting go of the there and then. And as you are in this moment, there are many aspects that you could pay attention to. Could be your breathing, could be sounds or sensations, thoughts or emotions. All of the many aspects of each moment and the moments that follow those, one upon another. And I will invite you to pick some aspect of this present moment. It could be parts of your internal experience, like thoughts or emotions, sensations in the body. Could be parts of your external environment, sounds occurring around you. Could be the sun or breeze on your skin if you're outside. And practicing noticing these with the feeling of accepting acknowledgement that they are what is occurring in this moment. Doing your best to experience them just as they are. Including the unpleasant aspects of the moment, Could be pain or distress, unwanted sounds. Just acknowledging them, noticing them, independent of any appraisal, judgment, valuing. Just noticing that these things are occurring right here, right now. No attempt to change them or push them away, or hold on to them if they're pleasant. Only acceptance of their presence in this moment, just as they are, and just as you are experiencing them. You may notice that acceptance of these aspects of the moment doesn't equate to liking them or disliking them, wanting them or not wanting them, approving of them or disapproving. These are all independent of their existence, moment to moment. You may also practice accepting yourself just as you are in this moment, where you are, how you are. No judgment, self-criticism, self-congratulation. Just noticing and accepting that this moment is occurring just as it is. You may find yourself making notes about aspects of this moment that you don't like. And just noticing that tendency, shifting back to that accepting awareness of what is occurring with no need to do anything else or change anything at this moment. That can come later. our practice of accepting the moment as it is begins to draw to a close, briefly reorienting your attention back to your breathing, where your body makes contact with the earth, or chair, bed, wherever you may be. Noticing the feeling of being grounded or centered, if it's present. Fine if it's not. Perhaps taking with you the appreciation that acceptance of the moment does not negate action or change, particularly for the things that are within our control to change. But that acceptance is a critical foundational step to making that change, should you choose to do so. And as always, taking with you my appreciation for getting to practice this with you. Allowing your eyes to open and taking good care for the rest of the day. Thank you.